Thank you for sharing more about your practice, Sara. And thank you for kicking off the Poieto Critical Education series with your creation, NAMI. Here are some key intentions and features of Poieto not fully covered in the video. Poieto is centered on and was created for community. People are responsible for their own data, consent frameworks, and how that data is used. Frames allow people to identify how they view the management and maintenance of their AI or social tech project. The Poieto platform itself learns from community. In fact, I created Poieto because I learned about AI from communities. For example, when working with the Feminist.AI community, we decided how our data would be used, asked for consent at each step of the way, including definition of community, actively identified how people are viewing the project or parts of the project, also called the frames, and discussed how it would be managed, where it would be used, and how it would be networked. These community-driven privacy conversations with Feminist.AI and other cultural organizations informed the design of Poieto. Essentially, we are mapping workshops in critical making to this digital tool and have about 4.5 years of history doing this. One of the primary intentions of Poieto is to create a platform which optimizes for community values and intentions. Additionally, it allows for multiple entry points and creates a space for everyone to enter, from designers and artists to developers to people new to AI. It creates a space for consent in data collection, duration, and usage. It identifies project keepers or stewards who identify or represent the community frames or perspectives or decision-making and management process. Essentially, they're keepers of the community intentions. It creates a space for people to review and discuss each section of the project holistically and can allow for certain people to flag a section with chat or discuss overall. Each section traces contribution and inspiration for that contribution. Additionally, it identifies networking, local or shared, for the project or part of the project. It also has a unique integration with other consent models, frames, and software. This was prototyped in the Feminist.AI project titled Learning Here, where we explored location-based learning and data donation and what systems members want to contribute to. So they considered, is this cloud-connected, local, ephemeral? The frames are present as their own section, but may also be applied to each of the projects. We also incorporate project pages and integration with consent models, frames, and software. Here are some of the projects created with Poieto by the Feminist.AI community as an example. Here you can see in 2016 and 2017 the project Intelligent Protest, which used Wekinator to create more accessible ways to protest in physical and digital spaces. Also in 2016 and 2017, you can see the project Thoughtful Voice Design, which created a space for users to respond to the gendering of voice assistants, not only responding with code, but with physical making, tone, and pitch changes. In 2018, Poieto produced the project Contextual Normalcy with the support of Feminist.AI. This looked at embodied and location-based thinking about feelings, creating new approaches to diagnosis and treatment and mental health. In 2019, Poieto was used to explore the relationship between location-based learning, privacy, and artistic creation in the project Learning Here. In 2020, we've been exploring bias and new approaches to search, inspired by the book Algorithms of Oppression by Professor Noble. This video series is about the individuals and communities using Poieto. You will find links to Sara's article and social media, along with information about Poieto. Sara, thank you for this thorough and thoughtful description of the tool, and most importantly, thank you for sharing about your practice and NAMI.
Thank you so much, Christine, for having me here, and thank you so much for bringing Poieto into this community and to this space. We'd also love to see everyone else's creative works using Poieto too. So if you'd like to create something using Poieto, please let us know, credit Poieto, and you're welcome to tag us on Instagram or any of our other social media platforms, which we'll link below. Thanks for listening.
Poieto is continually morphing based on conversations with various communities and community members. Let us know in the comments below if you want to learn about any specific project, if there are any topics you'd like to learn about, or if you have any questions. Again, reach out in the comments below or email us at data@poieto.com. Thank you.